12th standard solving linear equation by matrix method. That is, in determinants we have one more problem, solving equations. That linear equations may be 2 by 2 matrix or 3 by 3 matrix also. That means two variables or three variables also we can solve. Now how to convert this as matrix method? See, let I am taking A is equal to the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y. So two variables are there, that's why 2 by 2 matrix we will get minus 3, minus 5, 2 and 3. Like this I am taking that A matrix. Next, what are all the variables x and y? That I am taking capital X. Capital X is equal to x and y. And this right hand side variables, values, that is constants 4 and 0, that I am taking as b. B is equal to 4 and 0. Okay. So here if we multiply this A matrix and X matrix, we are getting B, correct? Just multiply this, minus 3x minus 5y equal to 4. 2x plus 3y equal to 0, that only they given. That means from this equation we are getting Ax is equal to B. From the given equations we are getting Ax is equal to B. Okay. Actually we need only this capital X. That means x and y value we have to find, correct? That means here we have to find the capital X value. So to find this x value, what I am doing, I am pre-multiplying this A inverse on both sides. A inverse into A, x is equal to A inverse into B. We can pre-multiply or post-multiply on both sides. So A inverse into A is nothing but I. So I into x is equal to this, we don't know, A inverse into B. I into I is nothing but what? Unit matrix. So any matrix into that inverse matrix we will get unit matrix. So unit matrix into any matrix we will get the same matrix. That means x. X is equal to A inverse into B. So we need this x value, means it is nothing but multiplication of these two matrices. A inverse we have to find, and then B value we know already, that is B matrix is 4 and 0. So after finding this matrix, if we multiply with this B, we will get x value. So how to find the inverse of this A? That only we have to find. So this also already we completed. Now first to find determinant of A value. What is determinant of A? 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, minus 2 into minus 5 is minus 10. Already one minus is here, so plus 10. So that is nothing but 1, which is not equal to 0. Therefore what we can say, A inverse exist. So now we have to find the inverse. To find A inverse, first we need adjoint of A, correct? So adjoint of A for 2 by 2 matrix is very easy. That is, A is given minus 3, minus 3, minus 5, 3, 2 and 3 they given, right? So interchange these two. Interchange the diagonals, minus 3 and 3. So interchange means 3 and minus 3. Here we have to change the sign. Minus 5 becomes plus 5, 2 becomes minus 2. So this is adjoint of A. And then we know the formula, A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A into adjoint of A. Determinant value is 1. Determinant of A value is 1. So that 1 by 1 is nothing but same 1. So this adjoint of A is equal to A inverse. So now what is x value? Already we found x is equal to A inverse into B. So A inverse we know it is 3, 5, minus 2, minus 3. What is B value? 4, 0. That is 4, 0. 4 and 0. This is B. So multiply this. How to multiply? This row, this column. So 3 into 4, 12, plus 5 into 0 is 0. Minus 8, minus 0. So it is nothing but 12, minus 8. So capital X is nothing but x and y. X and y is equal to 12 and minus 8. From this what we are getting? X value becomes 12, y value becomes minus 8. That's all. So this 2 by 2 matrix. From this 2 by 2 matrix we are getting the x value and the y value. Actually this linear equation in 2 variable in 9th standard itself we know how to solve this too. That is one method. This is by using inverse we can solve these two linear equations. Similarly we can solve this 3 by 3 matrix also. That is, suppose they given 3 linear equations in terms of x, y, z, the same formula by using x is equal to A inverse into B. So we have to find the inverse of the given matrix A. After that multiply with the B matrix. B matrix is nothing but always constant which is in the right hand side of the given equation. So from that equation we have to take B value. So same way we have to find the value of x, y, z from 3 by 3 matrix.